everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I'm super excited because I have my latest Armoire picks that we're going to dig into. I love Armoire. It is a rental styling service, premium clothes, so amazing. I'm going to get into it in just a second. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have Loki in the room with me, but he's very distracted today for some reason. We sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Armoire is, as I mentioned, it's a premium rental subscription service, and they offer different levels of which you can rent clothes. And it really has clothes from athleisure the whole way up to formal black tie, all the things. If you're going on a cruise, if you need a maternity wear, if you are going on vacation, all the things. If you have some interviews and you want some really nice suits, all the things. You will find it there. And then if you want to try some of those premium very expensive designer brands, guess what? They have it. They have it. They have it all. They have so many brands. You're going to love it. So they have 3 different plans that you can give a try. What I'm going to share with you is the unlimited plan. Love this one because you get 6 items and you get unlimited swaps throughout the month. So if I were to wear all of it and I wanted some new clothes within a week, I can do that. If I wear part of them, 3 of them, and I want 3 new pieces, I can swap them out. That plan is $249 a month. But you can rent thousands and thousands of dollars worth of clothes for that. And if you use my referral link down below, you're going to get a discount of 50% off plus 2 additional bonus items for that first month. If that's too much and you don't need all that, they have a 7-item capsule. That means that you can get 7 items every month. So every 30 days, you can swap out the 7 items. You don't get unlimited swaps. You just, every 30 days, you get 7 new items. But it will allow you to pick some key pieces that you can incorporate into your life for that month. That one is $129 a month. If you use my referral, you should get 35% off that first month plus the 2 bonus items. And last, if you just need a few key pieces, some standout pieces you want, they have a 4-item capsule. That one is $89 a month. If you use my link, 25% off plus the 2 items in your first collection. So good, so good. All right, let's open up my pieces here. I'm so excited. These are all my picks, but you don't have to pick them all out. If you are not sure what you want or you want help, you can get a stylist to do it, or you can do a combination of them both. You can pick out some and have your stylist pick out some. It all works, and the stylists are amazing. I went for some uber fun pieces this time, but I always try to do that. So wait till I share with you. This is going to be so fun. Okay. Got to get the tape out. You put everything right back into the bag that you get. So my return tape is coming off, but you'll put everything back inside this bag when you're done. If you want to keep it, that is an option. You could do that, and I'll go over all of that. You get a label to return your items. Here is my bundle. It's falling apart. So let's do this. Okay. I love that they do the little dresses. Is that not adorable? I love that. I know, look, this looks super fun, doesn't it? All right, first up, this is so pretty. This is by Maje. Might be saying that right or wrong. Check that out. Can you see that label? Check this jacket out. This is so much prettier in person than I expected. It's very soft. It's very flexible. It's not stiff, right? It's very luscious. Love this with a little fur and the Sherpa. Oh, that's adorable. And sometimes you can get brand new in pieces too. So you might be the first one to cut the tags off of them. You can wear them like they're your own. Don't worry. They wash everything. It goes through a very rigorous cleansing process. Like that. So I just said that how you can get new items. Here's one that still has the tags on it. How awesome is that? So this one is by AFRM. I loved this meshy top. How pretty is that? Long sleeve. The blues are really pretty. So I love that. I have a short sleeve version that I absolutely love. This is super cute. This one is by Tart. It's a little vest, not too heavy, little fur vest. Is that not adorable? That is so cute. That is so cute. No closures. Just a cute little vest. What is this? Oh, this also has the tags on it. This one is by Sanctuary. Oh, I'm gonna want to keep stuff. Check that out. The little mesh top. Is that not adorable? Little shimmer. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. I don't know what Loki is doing. This is so much fun. This is by NVLT. Check this out. The fur and suede jacket in the pink. Is that not cute? Oh, so cute. All right, I have one more item that dropped here, and these are denim by Rag & Bone. And does it tell me which kind they are? I will look all of these up and tell you. Check those out. I love trying the premium denim too. I love trying new styles. A lot of times when the new ones come out, like a barrel, for example, I like to try it first at Armoire and then decide if I like it. All right. This is going to be fun. Let's do it. Okay, so I was going to start off with the DL 1961 denim and this cute AFRM top. These I cannot button, so I can't even button the lowest one. It's funny, they fit, like, I can pull them on, can't button them up. They're a size 26, which is my normal size. I'm guessing maybe they shrunk a little bit, but maybe they were never going to fit because they were just too slim. So at least I know, and since I have the unlimited, I could swap them out for the next size up or pick something else. The AFRM top is amazing. So I did put a little like half cami on underneath here. You can see it since it's all sheer. It has thumb holes. How fun are these, right? I'm loving this design. This is fun. Navy has lots of pretty colors in it. The greens. Yeah, this is really cute. I just put on a pair of my own denim for the try on. Let's start with this cute vest by Tart. A fun little layer. This is something you could wear inside, which I love that. How cute is that? Very cute. So for this vest, it's the Tart Faux Fur vest. I'm wearing a size small. Retails for $178. I could buy it right now for $30. So nice. The Rag & Bone straight retail for $225. I could get them right now for $117. This top is by AFRM. I'm wearing a size small. It retails for $38. I could buy it now for $34. Obviously new in. And then we have, yeah, I think I covered all three pieces. Let's keep going. Next up, I love trying pieces like this because you never know if you're going to love it or hate it. This is amazing. So all Sherpa lined in here, super soft. Maybe it's like fur, right? I'll call it fur lined, like the pink fur. Yeah, we'll just call it all fur because it's longer than just the Sherpa would be. And this beautiful pink, a definite standout for sure. So if you want to show up, make a statement, this is the jacket. This would be so pretty over all black. Like but it would go nicely with jeans and a t-shirt too. It's gorgeous. I love everything about it. So pretty, right? And then for this top, I took the black off. I had a black bralette underneath here. I took it off just so we could see if I could wear a normal bra. As you can see, it is going to show. So I would stick with something black or go strapless to really enjoy this sheer top because it is gorgeous. It has all this fun shimmer here through the body. This is beautiful. Tags on it, brand new. Same with the AFRM top. Gorgeous. I really enjoy the mesh. I might not be able to send this top back or the AFRM top. I might not be able to. I love both of them. So this one is called the Sanctuary Blouse. $59 is regular price. If I want to buy it now, it would be $53. And then for the jacket, it's by NVLT Faux Fur. $269 is the retail. I could get it for $242. Generally, the prices decrease like the longer they've had the item. So if it's relatively new, then it's usually a smaller amount off. And we're going to wrap with this gorgeous jacket that I'm also super excited about. So yummy. So yummy good. Oh, check this out. So it's the Sherpa into the fur. The collar. This one hitting mid-hip. This is so gorgeous. This one buttons. Yeah, buttons up here. And there's another button right here. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. It's jacket season here in Pennsylvania for sure. This is gorgeous. This cute little jacket, I don't know if you noticed, I'm just seeing it now, has the cute little tab here too. Do you see that? How adorable is that? Little buckle. So cute. So cute. Yeah. All right. I love these pieces. I love this service because you can try stuff like this. And this is by, I'm going to say Maje Faux Fur, $481. If I want to keep it, $240. What? And it looks to be in amazing condition. It's gorgeous. I love this. And that's all 6 of my pieces. What did you guys think? What's your favorite? Comment down below. I can't wait to hear what your favorite is this time around. I love picking out these pieces because they show your personality, they show your risk tolerance level. You're not actually purchasing the pink, but you get to try it, and I'm excited about it. I'll put all the information for Armoire down below in case you'd like to give this service a try. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and swipe to height, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.